So now I can answer your question. Yes, you can grow potatoes in a crate. Plastic, and it has like little holes in it. And I want to keep the birds from eating my blueberries. When I tell you, soon a bug hit that zapper, it shocked them like a electric shock. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am T. I am growing in New Orleans Zone 9B if you're new here. And on today's video, I will be harvesting potatoes. Yes, it's been a long time coming with the potatoes. I did the cardboard and crate method. I am so excited to see what I can get out of those potatoes. I will be putting a shade cloth over my peppers and tomatoes. I will be protecting my blueberry bushes with bird netting, because also I want to give you guys an update on my mosquito zapper, y'all. Yes, I want to give you an update because part one I put it together and I wanted to tell, and I told y'all on my next video I was going to give y'all my honest review on mosquito zapper. So y'all come join me on part 2 on this maintenance major garden reset video. I'm gonna go ahead and get the potatoes harvest and see what we got. This is my first year using the cardboard and crate method, and we shall see. Potato crate number 1. A whole bunch of rain, and I haven't been watering the potatoes. They say stop watering the potatoes when you know you about to harvest. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest before it start raining. These are store-bought potatoes. I let chit, and we gonna see what we got. I only put 2 potatoes. All right. That's 2 small potatoes. That's good. All right. Pull them up. It's a nice size containers. And this is all from 1 or 2 store-bought potatoes. All right, I'm gonna pull it out, y'all. All right, there's 1 potato. It's another one. These potatoes. But we got quite a little bit, y'all, out of this container. To say we only did 2. That's 1 crate. Crate number 1. Voila. Voila. Crate number 2. Crate number 2. Let's see what's in crate number 2. Jesus. All right. We got us something there. We got us something there, y'all. Crate number 2. We got some potatoes. I'm gonna dump this out. That's what we have so far, crate number 2. Let me dump out and see what they got in there. And I don't know, ooh, look at that, y'all. And I don't know what kind of potatoes this is, because just like I said, they're store-bought potatoes, but hey. I think we did pretty good, y'all. We did pretty good. I think that's it. That's crate number 2. Number 3. Let's see what we got. Seems like most potatoes is at the very top under. See how that is? They're all at the top. Stuck at the top. That's crate number 3. So crate number 3, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 16, and 19. Not bad, y'all. Not bad for 3 potatoes. For 3 potatoes. I also want to show y'all how the zapper is doing. Y'all, when I say at night, this zapper do its job, and I'm not kidding you. When I tell you, soon a bug hit that zapper, it shock them like a electric shock. It go buzz, buzz, buzz. Y'all, you really need one. All gardeners need, just like I said on part 1 of this video, all gardeners need a zapper. All gardeners need a zapper. And you want to know how I put this zapper together? Go ahead and watch the other video. I'm gonna link it, number 1 in the description, so that way you won't have to go look for it. And yo, right now I'm showing you a clip. It's probably like 7 or 6 in the evening, and I'm just showing you a clip on how it looks. And y'all, you can hear the zap in the video, the clip I'm showing you guys. It's zapping. It's zapping. So I got this zapper. The zapper company reached out to me, and I got this as a gift. But my second one, I am going to buy. I'm going to buy 2 more, actually. I want to buy one for each end of the garden, because I want to make another seating area in my garden. So the other one, I'm going to put the air patio area. So y'all, that's a must-have. Not only 1, a must-have 2. So now with this area, y'all, this is where the potatoes were sitting. I am going to fill in this empty spot with the rest of my tomatoes and peppers. And then I will put my shade cloth on top. This is a purple beauty. This is a golden bell pepper plant. Purple beauty. This is a mosquito pepper and an orange habanero together plant. Okay, so I filled in all the space. Looks like I can have more if I just push these bags over. And these are 5-gallon grow bags. 5-gallon grow bags, y'all. This one on this end. Yeah. And I will be putting my pepper cages over. So now I want to go ahead and put that shade cloth on top. Y'all remember in my last video, I took this trellis. This was an old cucumber and squash trellis. So what I did was I took the mesh and all that stuff down, and I just used the poles, and we're gonna use the old trellis for a shade, just a shade for my peppers and tomatoes if you're new here. So that's what I'm doing. I took it down. Go ahead and watch part 1 when I'm taking it down and showing you guys how it looked previously for my squash, and that's how it looks now. And this is the shade cloth I am going to put over. Everything I use on this video that you see you might like, everything is on my Amazon store, in my Amazon storefront. So you can go ahead and just click on it and check everything I actually use in my garden. So this is just one shade cloth, and I'm gonna just go ahead and drape it over the peppers and the tomatoes. I don't know exactly what size this is, but if you go on, you know, the Amazon storefront, all that information will be in there. So I'm just going to drape it straight across. I'm gonna use these clips to hold them together. I didn't get no breeze until I started putting this thin thing up, the thin shade cloth up. It might be a little ghetto, but my peppers and tomatoes is saved a little bit from the sun. It's not in direct sunlight because, y'all, the peppers was a little droopy because of the sun. So now we have shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pepper cages to the peppers right quick, y'all. I know I should have did that before I put the cloth on there, but hey, we overworking ourselves today. I'm gonna start with these little pepper cages here. I mean, you can go get this from Home Depot, Lowe's, on Amazon. This will be in my Amazon storefront as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take them out. Just so my peppers can have a little, just so they can have a little staking room. Put down like that. That should be good. Like that. See that? One down, 4 more to go. All right, y'all, that's the 3 I just did. I'm gonna just go ahead and put them back under the shade cloth. Y'all, I feel like today is the hottest day ever. So, I also got this off of Amazon. This is like a bird netting. And it's like plastic and it has like little holes in it. And I want to keep the birds from eating my blueberries. And this is like one of the best things I can find for. And I've seen a few gardeners using this as well. And I want to go ahead and just protect my blueberries from the birds, because when I tried to harvest some blueberries, I noticed some of the blueberries was eaten. And y'all know how I feel about things eating my food before I do. So I came up with this idea to drape this over my blueberry bushes. I want to make me a crop cage, but that's going to come later. That's going to come later. But for right now, I just want to do this. First, before I start doing any other projects. We have blueberries, y'all, and I want to continue having them. I just want to pretty much drape this over. Y'all heard that thunder? Yeah, buddy, it's about to rain. That's why I wanted to get this out the way. And I'm taking my little clips I have in my apron and I'm clipping them from the sides. Yeah, I don't know how well that's gonna hold up, but it's just gonna have to do. They protected. And when I come out here to harvest, I could just lift this up. Lift it up and harvest whatever I need to harvest. Like this one needs to be harvested. This one. Y'all, so we got blueberries. And close on how it looked. All right, so far this is how it looks. I got 2 blueberry plants on these little stands, and I put the mesh, whatever it's called, around it, and they are protected from the birds. The birds no longer could snack. And I will figure out if I should do like a crop cage with the sticks so it can be a little bit more support and look a little bit better. That's going to come later on if I decide I want to do another DIY project as far as with a crop cage. And then we have the shade cloth here. Let me bring y'all back. That's the shade cloth. We got the little clips holding it from blowing. These little clips on each side holding it. And it's shaded, y'all. Might look a little ghetto like I said, but I'm gonna fix it and make it look cute. But this is what we have right now. It's shade under there. It's feeding its purpose. Oh Lord, I see a old. See how that sun scorched this pepper? That ain't nothing but the sun. Nothing but the sun. The sun did that. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest that off there. We gonna blame it on the sun for that one. This is exactly why we got it under a shade cloth. Cause look at that. That sun toasted. Toasted bad. I caught it just in time. Just in time. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and do a recap of what we did today. We harvested some potatoes out of our cardboard crate method. We put shade cloth over our peppers and tomatoes, protection from the sun, and we put protection over our blueberries from the birds over there. See the blueberries? Yes. So we got some things accomplished, y'all. We got a lot accomplished in the sun. And now it's time to go inside. Me and my potatoes is going inside, y'all. I want to thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. And I'll see y'all, as always, in the next video. Bye.